7 days into our journey, and we decided to stop at an actual campground. Beautiful area of Montana, absolutely friendly people. We love this place so much. But the reason we decided to stop, thanks to the Red Arc Red Vision system here on our camper, it shows us that we are actually down to only 30% of our battery left. Now, yes, each trailer has solar panels on them, but the first couple of days of our journey, they were covered in mud and it was raining, so they didn't get a chance to keep things caught up. We still have 7 days left to our journey, so the goal was to use shore power, get them charged up completely, so that while we're up in the mountains, we don't have to worry about it. But since I have you right here, I just wanted to show this off. I've been pulling this trailer now for 7 days behind the JK. The only struggle I seem to have is really steep inclines, 6% grades or higher. But other than that, it pulls so smooth. And the cool part is when we get to camp, we've got a full kitchen. In our kitchen, whoops, we've got food storage everywhere, which is awesome. We've got storage for pots and pans. We've got storage for our coffee. We've got our stove. We've got our refrigerator and freezer, sink, everything that we need. And regardless of the terrain that we're covering, all of this stuff actually stays sealed inside the camper. So if you remember from the footage not too long ago, we had to wash the Jeeps and get those big chunks of mud off the trailer. And look at inside here and how clean all of this remained. Now that is definitely something that the Australians nicked right in the butt. So cool. With the awning, we have shade from the sun and shelter from the rain, which is also really cool. And then this particular one does sleep 2 adults inside here. As you can see, since we've been using it, plenty of room for 2 people to get nice and warm. They have plenty of ventilation, screen over here, and it has a diesel heater. So those first couple of nights when we were out here and it was only 30 degrees, nice and warm inside that camper. So this one here, also an Australian Campers, made by Lifestyle Campers. This has the extended top on it to allow a lot more room on the inside. You can sleep up to 4 people inside here, still have your Dometic fridge and freezer, and a nice big camp kitchen on the outside. Now, just like mine, we do have the Red Arc Red Vision system in here for power management, but they chose to use these really badass toggle switches to be able to turn everything on and off, including the water heater for the shower, as well as the power inverter. This is actually really cool. These trailers, although some people may consider them to be a little on the heavy side, weighing close to about the 3,000 pound mark, our Jeeps are not even struggling, even when we were in the mud and off-road. So I just want to give a huge shout out to Lauren over at XGRiD Campers to say thank you for letting us borrow these. This has made this trip an absolutely epic adventure, and we still have 7 more days to go. So one thing I did want to point out, 7 days we've been pulling these trailers, and they're only down to 30% on the battery, and that's with 3 of those days unable to charge with solar. So the amp hours in these lithium batteries hold extremely well. This one's all lit up, mine's all lit up, so we use the lights, the hot water, we use the pump for the water pressure, the shower, and the heaters, and we're still only at 30%. So, you know, honestly, I'm not sure why we've never done it this way before, and if it were me, I think I'm definitely going to pick one of these up. What do you think?